right, good morning. How are we doing today?
Great.
Doing great. What do you got going on today?
Skydive.
Skydiving. That explains that super fancy suit you're wearing. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
Birthday gift.
This is the birthday gift. Nice. I absolutely love birthday skydives. No better way to celebrate. You ready to rock and roll? You ready to have some fun?
Yes.
All right, let's get it. Let's have some
Do it,
fun.
Lee.
Here we go.
Let me see my phone real quick.
Again. How you feeling?
I feel amazing.
Yeah, that's what we want to hear. All right.
Experience ever.
Yeah, that's what I want to hear. All right, we're a little upwind, so we're going to try to get on the other side of the windsock. Okay. If we'll get on the other side of the windsock, so we got altitude, we'll get some playing around, all right?
All right.
High five, real quick. Yeah. Woohoo! Skydiving, tell me how you feeling.
Amazing.
Yeah, was the first time as good as the second?
Yes.
Yeah.
The second time was better than the first.
All right, what was your favorite part?
The mountains.
You like the mountains. We got some views here, don't we?
We do, yes.
They're absolutely amazing. You absolutely killed it. Thank you so much for jumping with me.
I appreciate
and
it.
jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs.
Thank you.
Woo!